Today we look at chemistry, WAEC question 1999, number 21. So let's look at the question. The question says, what volume of hydrogen is produced at STP when 2.6 grams of zinc reacts with excess HCl according to the following equation? Now we have zinc plus HCl gives us zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. We are looking for volume. Now, when you have a question like this, you don't need to disturb yourself. The first thing you look for is the two parameters. That's why I tell my students, there are two things you look out for here. They say what volume of hydrogen. So we are looking for the volume of hydrogen. First thing first, what volume of hydrogen is produced at STP when 2.60 grams of zinc 2.60 grams of zinc reacts with HCl. So the two things we are looking for here is that we are going to relate together is hydrogen and zinc. So what we are looking for in the long run, eventually what we are driving at, we are going to get the volume of hydrogen. Now, to get the solution, since we are advised to solve it according to this equation. Now, first of all, look for the mass of hydrogen here. They call it mass calculation. Now, zinc solid plus HCl, that is aqueous, to give us zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride is also aqueous here. So we are following the equation. Now, we look for the molar mass of zinc. The molar mass of zinc here, according to the question, is 65. Put it here, 65 equal to, this is a chemical equation, equal to this, when these two react, it led to this one. So that of hydrogen, the molar mass of hydrogen is 1, but times 2 here, it will give us 2. It's an objective question, so we have to be smart about it. So now, according to the question, we have when 2.60 grams of zinc. So put the mass here, 2.60 grams. This one is in grams per mole. This one is in grams per mole. That's the molar mass, that's the unit. This is for zinc, and this is for hydrogen here, hydrogen gas. Now, when you cross multiply, we say S grams per mole of hydrogen. That's hydrogen gas. When you cross multiply, we have S times 65, or 65 times S, we have 65x equal to 2 times this, as 2 times 2.6 grams. 2 times 6.2 grams. So to get the coefficient of x here is 65. So to get x as the unknown now, we divide both sides by 65. So 65 comes to 65. So when you multiply this, divide by 65, we are going to get 0.08 grams. 0.8 grams. That's what we are going to get. And here, this is the mass of hydrogen here. And note, one thing is very important here. I put the molar mass of zinc under zinc here. Why? According to the question, we are given the mass of zinc. I still put under zinc here. So if you are solving it, by the time you cross out, mole will cancel out mole here. So you'll be left with grams. Now watch. This is for hydrogen. Hydrogen gas. So the mass of hydrogen gas here is 0.08. Now there's a common formula we say amount in mole equals to mass all over molar mass. Now our mass is 0.08. The molar mass of hydrogen here is 2. Molar mass of hydrogen. The molar mass is 1, but because of this 2 here, you times it by 2. That's why you are having 2 here. So we have, if you divide this, we are going to have 0.04. And amount in mole is mentioned in mole. And we are crossing the number of moles of hydrogen. But the question says, calculate the volume of hydrogen. Now, to get the volume of hydrogen, 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas in this situation, and 1 mole of hydrogen gas equals to 22.4 TNQ at STP. Now, we just got the volume of, we just got the mole of hydrogen here. So bring mole here, 0.04 mole of hydrogen gas equal to X, that is unknown volume of SDMQ of hydrogen gas at STP. When you cross multiply, what you get is S equals to 0.04 times 22.4. So when you multiply, you have 0.896 TNQ. That is mole under mole, volume under volume. So the right answer is option B. Please, for those of you that have been subscribing and liking this channel, God bless you. Try, share to your friends and comment. God bless you. See you in the next class.